Mrs. Patterson, thank you for coming to your DHS hearing.
I don't mind. It's just for my kids.
Okay. Could you take us through a day in the life of the mom?
Well,
I feed the cat
like a mom,
cook the breakfast
like a mom,
feed my children
like a mom,
pick my outfit
like a mom,
grab the carpool
like a mom,
do the dishes
like a mom,
complain about my weight
like a mom,
get Judy crack
like a mom,
do the laundry
like a mom,
make the bed
like a mom,
buy some groceries
like a mom,
watch some Oprah
like a mom,
teach piano lessons
like a mom,
get mad at my son
like a mom,
scold my children
like a mom,
push them off the bike
like a mom,
get hit by a car
like a mom,
now I'm dead
like a mom,
have a funeral
like a mom,
he insulted
like a mom,
from my children
like a mom,
explode my head
like a mom.
So that's a normal day for you in the life of a mom?
pretty much.
You get hit by a car and turn into a zombie.
Yeah, but you don't even want to know what my friends did.
This hearing is over.